Here is a match between two methods, manual versus automatic, to tackle a common task in CATIA V5. The challenge is to draw the part number as a 3D text, centered along the radius curve and normal to the surface. It's a small task, but one that shows up in real projects again and again. Let's see how both methods perform in terms of time and quality. The automatic method is handled by a macro and controlled via Excel. I start by selecting the input geometries, the guiding curve and the support surface. The macro automatically records their details into the Excel file. From there, I can simply type the part number manually or extract it directly from the 3D model. Then I adjust the text size and positioning parameters as needed. To check the orientation, the macro inserts an axis system, and if needed, I quickly edit the corresponding parameters. That's all I need to launch the automatic operation. Meanwhile, for the manual method, I start by writing the text in a drawing. Then I convert it into a TXF file and copy-paste it into the 3D model as a sketch. I recolor the text for better visibility. After that, I reposition the text within the sketch to properly rescale it to the correct size. It's done. The automatic operation has just finished. The macro created the 3D text in less than 1 minute. Manually, I've finished positioning the text in the sketch. Now I'm trying to measure its actual height to resize it as required. To speed things up, I accelerate the video here. Next, I measure each character's center position to align it along the curve. You remark some inaccuracies. That's because of the distortion from the TXF conversion. Now I create a sketch for each character and reposition it to its center. I start creating positioning points, but I realize I made a mistake with the text height. So I go back and resize the characters again. Mistakes happen when working manually. They are part of the process. Now I create points to position the characters, lines to align them along the curve, and planes to orient them normally to the surface. I position each sketch with a corresponding point, line, and plane. And finally, I extrude the paths to complete the operation. As you can see, the automatic method is 15 times faster, and it's just for one short text of 8 characters. The macro generates smooth characters using arcs and cylinders, rather than polylines as we get them by the manual method. And the tree structure is more compact and organized, with only one parametric feature per character. You are not just looking to draw faster. You want a reliable, easy-to-use solution that saves you time for what really matters, one that reduces mental fatigue and pressure, and delivers consistent output without risk of errors. If that's what you are looking for, I can help, whether by providing this macro, developing customized one for your needs, or offering training to help you automate your own work with CATIA.